Hello, this is Peter Pan. Today is 2013, 10th of May. First of all, maybe you guys are not familiar with me. I'm a Hong Kong I'm a stock trader in Hong Kong. I trade in stock index future and stocks. I really advise you guys, recommend you guys to look at my prior videos, as I have made some stock recommendation, and all of them are making money, especially one that is 1788, which this one, which is making about 20%, about 23% return at this moment. And for those who wants to support me, please do recommend my channel to your friends, and recommend it in Facebook, and also donate to my channel. Okay, so today what I'm going to talk about is gold. A viewer has emailed me asking for opinion about gold. What he's saying here is that first of all, thanks WK Zhang for emailing me. So what he's asking is my view on the gold. Will the trend be stopped? Will it drop further? So first of all, I want to tell you guys that I do not trade gold, but I do look at the gold market when I analyze stocks and the Hong Kong stock market. What I think gold is a very difficult commodity to trade. As you look at in here right now, it's COMEX gold. You can see most recently, last month, there's a severe drop. Why is trading gold so difficult is sometimes it has this kind of drop, and most people will got their position cut off and by margin call and lost a lot of their money. So I think trading gold is a very expert commodity to trade, and gold is just for really expert, not for amateur. So I don't recommend anybody trading gold. And then I think gold is basically it's just the main reason is obviously the conventional wisdom is that because the US dollars the value has dropped significantly because of the monetary policy by Paul Bernanke. So people are holding on to gold just to store as an instrument to store value. But this is the conventional wisdom. This is true, but I think another very important reason why gold has been rising for the last about 8 years or so, maybe about almost 10 years, it's rising. Look at the rise, this trend. They have been rising so beautifully because underneath all the news, what people don't know is there's a cartel holding on to most of the gold. As we know, one of the most famous fund manager who is holding on to gold is John Paulson. As you can look at here, he lost $1 billion on gold. So you may think he's a major player, he's a big player, but I can tell gold is he's just a small player, or maybe he's not a player at all, because the cartel is much bigger than him. Maybe I think the cartel maybe is holding on to maybe 10,000 billion dollars of gold. I don't know how much, maybe $1 trillion of gold, just a lot. And if you look at Paulson, he's really, really tiny player. And one thing I want to tell you guys, another big reason why gold is rising so beautifully, because it's based on the scarcity of gold. It's very hard to obtain gold because gold is really deep inside the ground. When you dig inside, you need to dig really, really deep. But what you obtain is a very small amount of gold. So that's why it's very scared. Okay, go back to the Paulson. So he lost 1 billion, but he's a really small player. And then so go back to the graph. So look at here is the COMEX gold. As you know, you all guys know that what happened in the April. You know, there's a really severe drop, and the drop actually started around 2011. You know, and then it dropped here. I think what happened here is a false technical sign. I think what happens is the big player, the cartel, they want to scare away people from holding gold, and so there's this false technical sign of a bear sign, but I think it's a bull market. For me, I think there's a 70% chance of a bull market. So once the drop finishes and the bull run start, the run will be very, very, very beautiful and very violent. Okay, so the second part of my video will talk about the rise and how much it goes to. Okay, so what I'm saying right here is personal opinion. Gold will rise and fall. The volatility in gold market is very high. There is risk involved in trading gold. Thank you. Bye bye.